Hi guys, welcome back. So on today's tutorial I'll be doing another DIY gele for you guys, because some of you have been requesting me to do a DIY gele on this, so I'll be doing it for you guys. This gele is very easy, very simple. I'm very sorry about the quality of this video, guys. You know, I've said several times that I'm still using my phone to record for now, but the phone I'm using is even having a problem, so I just have to collect one of my students' phone to record this for you guys. You know, you guys mean a lot to me, because I don't want, you guys have been requesting this gele, so I don't want to just ignore you guys. So I'm very sorry about the quality of this video. I'm very sorry about that. I just pray very soon I have my own camera, so that is just my prayer, guys. So the rule of this gele is 50-50 ratio, and the joining of this gele is just 3 lines, because I don't want my gele to be too big, just want it to be portable. So the joining of the gele is 3 lines, and the ratio is 50-50 ratio. So now I'm just creating the pleats. I created like 3 pleats there, or 4 pleats. So after that I'll be making the fan. Even my fan is not that big, guys. I just make it small, because it's not everybody that like big things. So I just want my gele to be small and portable, so that is why. But if you want yours to be big, you can still create lesser pleats. Start making your fan. So now I'm creating the fan. When doing this, guys, you just have to take your time. Don't be in a hurry. You know, I do say it, don't be in a hurry to do your gele, guys. Just take your time to achieve this. So that is it, guys. I hope you guys love this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, guys. Let me know what you think about my tutorial. Maybe I'm trying, or I'm just doing trash, or I'm doing rubbish. Let me just know. Comment, guys, please comment. And also follow me on my Instagram page at glambeauty30. So now I'll be going back now with the other hand. I'm just trying to pick the gele, guys. So now I'm placing it on top of it gradually. So when doing this, you just have to take your time, guys. You really have to take your time, because tying of gele on someone's head can be tricky than just tying it on a client's head or somebody else. But if you are tying it on your head, you just have to take your time, guys. You have to take your time, patience, to achieve what you want. I won't lie to you, at this stage that I'm tying this gele, my hand has started aching me, so I just have to continue doing it. I don't want to give up. So I'm rolling the excess, and now I'm using office pin to pin it down at the middle there. I'm very sorry I'm not showing you guys the back. I'm very sorry. maybe next time if I'm doing it, if I'm doing another tutorial, guys, I'll show you guys the back. I'm very sorry about that. It's just the normal way we do roll the hand of our gele, then pin it there. So you just have to use much pin as you can. Use much pin as you can so that the gele will not fall off when dancing in church or to your owambe parties. So that is it, guys. I'm just adjusting it now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for you guys to know whenever I upload a new video. I love you guys. So that is it, guys. Bye. Love you. So that is all about the video. That is all about the tutorial. Bye, guys.